Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs and the European Landscapes blog. So I'm here at a project in Irvine that was completed months ago, just kind of doing a follow-up checkup. It's a really cool project and I just wanted to show it to you, but before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant landscapes, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. I'm also a residential landscape designer, Avi, so I'll leave a link to my business website in the description of the video. So let me turn this camera around. Aha. So this is a mostly succulent, mostly Dudleya garden, designed by me, installed by Ed Wallace of Midwest Landscaping. We left the parkway as is because it's HOA property, so we didn't do anything to it. Can't do anything to it even if we wanted to. This tree is existing. And then we put gravel everywhere because it was a look and it's a really good look. And it's a lot of Dudleyas, mainly because the homeowner loves Dudleyas and so do I. And then this plant is the Baja Bush Snapdragon, which I actually have in pots in my yard, so it does really well in pots. A few plants died and the homeowners got some replacements here and there. I just think this is kind of cool. The Dudleya kind of amongst the rock, and we put some lava rock and whatnot that was existing. Just kind of moved it around. This was a border that separated the grass that was existing from the planting area. We just, for cost reasons, kept all the existing hardscape. It isn't broke, so why fix it? It is a lot of Dudleyas, but again, both the homeowner and I just love Dudleyas enough that we wanted to just have our way with them in this garden. I absolutely love using this Baja Bush Snapdragon. Used to be called Galvesia Gentiana Gran Canon. Now it's Gambilia Gentiana Gran Canon. Love this plant. You can see, hopefully you can see, there's the flower of it. This was a uniquely fun project because when the homeowner called me, she basically said, I love Dudleyas, I want a shit ton of them in my garden. We actually had proposed to do more than what we installed here in terms of Dudleya quantity, but for cost reasons we kept it down a bit. But yeah, this project looks really nice. I like using the gravel in lieu of the wood chips. I don't remember the color name, but it adds a little something.